After the Proteograph assay method is complete, the ICS presents two options. Select Unload Carriers and run MPE Flush, or Unload Carriers only. We recommend running the MPE Flush option. Remove the peptide collection plate, which contains the clean peptides. Seal the plate with an adhesive cover and spin it down. The resulting sample plate layout is shown in the user guide. Set aside the plate at room temperature. Start peptide quantification within 1 hour. Open the front protective cover. Remove all plastic labware from the tube, plate, and reservoir carriers. Remove the reservoirs and store the black core lids. Remove the peptide cleanup plate from the MPE. Remove the trypsin reservoir from the chiller. Do not remove the magnetic plate. It should remain in the SP100. Close the front protective cover.